Okay, 60 degrees. They say it's fog. It's definitely overcast, rainy. A little humidity here, huh? Work my way on up. For the purpose of this inspection, the structure faces north. Okay, this is the garage. You see the dormer up there? It's not flashed any kind of way. The structural panel, an insulated panel at the bottom of the seal, that's torn. Okay. See these straps right here? Every hole is supposed to be filled with a nail. We've got an unconventional application here. See this anchor bolt? He's not positioned right. He's nowhere close to being done. I got straps here. But the holes aren't filled. Is this anchor bolt supposed to substitute for that? Is that what's happening? I missed the mark. It's supposed to be in the middle of the board. The sole plate there. This guy got a... Does he have a washer? Yeah, he's got a washer. Insulated board there. Big hole in that. Okay, so it's north, so the electric service is coming in on the east side of the garage. That's the earfer. Copper to copper. This is going to be the water heater. We're going to have a tankless water heater. It's going to be on the outside of the wall. We're looking at the back side of it. And could they hit this? They don't have children? This insulated panel here is glued in. It's supposed to be stapled. That cable right here by the garage pedestrian door, it needs to be positioned so that it's not next to the rock. Get a stray nail can hit that. Penetration. perforations right there on the siding. Okay, so we got pecs. This pecs is we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that with some sheetrock nails. We're gonna have a leak. Okay. And we're gonna leave that form board in there. That form board needs to come out of the shower. And that's termite bait right there. Sorry about the gum chewing. My allergies. It's the only way it keeps me from coughing. By the way, we came in through the garage, but we're basically working counterclockwise through the structure, so we won't miss much. Now, that's not the most attractive piece of wood right there, but it's okay. I mean, what are you going to build with? Nothing perfect. So far from the inside, looks like the windows are flashed pretty good so far along the way. Okay, we've got insulated OSB board. I don't know if they're asking for batt's insulation. I don't know if they're asking for that insulation. They're telling us it was done, so you might want to ask. Saved by the bell. Yeah. Good home, Mrs. Bud. They've been trying to reach me. Ew. Interesting little niche there. shower is probably a cutout for a tub. You go there, knee wall. It's kind of interesting what they're doing there. I'm just not sure. Okay, some of the shower is insulated and some of it isn't. Why would the right side need to be insulated and the left side not? That'd be a good question. See, most of it's not. I'm not used to seeing it insulated. I just wonder why it's just so important there. See all this flashing tape? It's supposed to be burnished. Roll the tape. Those are instructions. It's what's known as a clue. Okay, I'm not seeing any floor receptacle outlets. There's supposed to be some play in here. Where the cooktop's going, that's where the draft vent's going. We do not know that the draft vent's going out. Where does it go to? The attic? Oh, no. It makes a 90. Makes a 90 over there. Excuse me. It goes up. We'll see it some more when we get into the attic. False alarm. Didn't mean to scare everybody. Now all these, and I don't know until it's installed. These are supposed to be installed far enough out so that when the sheetrock is installed, like a half inch, then it's flush. And that's okay. And I should put a splashback. If you're going to put tile in here, then the tile's going to bring it out even further. And then at that point, they're going to be left to install extender rings inside of here. So whoever's inspecting this behind me needs to come and open up one or so of these and see if there's any extender rings. It'd been nicer if they would have just done it all at once, but moved it out. They probably didn't have the finish out plans. They were just coming in here to do a rough out job. That's probably what happened. This is interesting. This door goes into the laundry. Laundry goes into the master closet. Okay. And then it's the master bath. And then it's the master. Depending on what you're going to install up here, it's called a pancake. It's called a pancake junction box. And you need that to, when you have a cross member like that. But if that's supporting a ceiling fan, that box is going to be awful tight for the electric junctions. Just saying. Same thing. Excuse me. Same thing with that pancake box. That's what I was talking about. That's the kitchen. This is the laundry where we picked up. So this is the hall bathroom. This is a bedroom. Pancake box. I'm not going to zoom in on every one of them. You know what we're talking about now. More insulation. So are we missing insulation on some, or are we adding insulation to others? I'm thinking they should all be insulated. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Okay, so we're back to the front entry, the foyer. This is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. We've already been in here. 3 bedrooms and a master. Everything seems pretty self-evident. I'm putting off going out there. It's going to be muddy. I'm going to need to do it. That slab doesn't look like it was poured too long ago. Were they pouring that in the rain? I don't know. I wasn't here. They shouldn't have.